Hi, this video is for someone who has heard a lot of buzzwords like AWS, cloud, Microsoft Azure, and a lot more. And like they want to understand what these are and in general what cloud is. They're like, is it cloud or is it something else? So this video is all about exploring, getting into the details of why it even exists. Better to better understand this, let's start with a generic scenario which you all can relate to. So suppose I am currently living in Bangalore and I want to visit Goa. So what do you think would be a better option for me? So first thing is either I buy a land in Goa, build a house and then go there, spend my vacation there and come back. Or other option can be I rent out some apartment using Airbnb or other such apps and then like use it for 5 days or so and then come back. So what would be a more better option? So obviously the second one, right? You won't like spare your lot of resources, time and money just to build, just to use something which we are not sure about if you are going to use it in future. So similar is the case with servers. So let's get back to what our computers and what our servers need. So basically you might have, if you're in college, you might have heard someone saying that, okay, third generation is like too slow. So maybe switch to fifth generation Intel Core or something like maybe increase the RAM or so. So at times maybe you are running some machine learning models and you needed some maybe 8 GB of RAM size, but that isn't sufficient for your another project. So like you have invested money in your 8 GB laptop, 8 GB RAM laptop, and now you want to switch. So is it like you'll just like throw away that laptop and buy a new one? Like that won't be viable, right? And that is like also not budget friendly. So what cloud service providers do is they provide those services on rent. You can use their servers, which is similar to you using your computer. Any computer, like server is like similar to any computer instance. So you can make use of their servers which they host on their platform. So you all you need is just your login credentials. You can log into their system, use it, and then as long as you use it, say I use it for 1 hour, I'll pay for 1 hour. If I use it for 5 hours, I pay for 5 hours. So for using vast amount of resources, I don't need to buy a lot of things. All I need to do is to rent it for a few hours, get it to my use, and then like stop those servers or delete those servers and then pay only for the amount I have used it for, like for the duration I have used it for. So that is what cloud service providers is all about. If we speak about the companies which offer those cloud service, those includes Amazon, which provides it under the name of Amazon Web Services. Then we have Microsoft, which provides it under the under the hood of Microsoft Azure. Then we have Google, which provides it as Google Cloud Platform. So multiple vendors are there who provide those same similar clouds, almost similar with slight variation. So those cloud services under different names, but all of those are cloud services which are available for you to rent. Like you pay only for what you use. Also, why would companies mind using Amazon like service cloud service providers like Amazon or Azure? So why would they bother? Because maybe at this particular time it might feel that it is needed for college student, but that's not the case. Maybe I'm a small startup and maybe I currently have only 5 servers running. And what I want is due to heavy traffic, maybe my application went viral through some LinkedIn post or through some Instagram reels. And now what I want is I want to scale like too many too many users are making requests to my server and my server is getting overloaded, so I want to increase the number of servers I have. So I cannot like buying those servers and getting them ready and all would take a lot of time. So what I do is I make use of the available cloud services and then pay for whatever time I use it for, because I don't have even the budget or the space to store them, to accommodate those. Maybe I might not need those servers in future. It is for this particular time, so I'll use it for maybe the time duration when the traffic is high, and then like switch those servers off when not needed. So I am saving on my money. So for these reasons, most of the companies tend to use Amazon Web Services or Google Cloud Platform or any such cloud service providers. But other thing is it only limited to the small startups or are even big companies using it? So to clear your thoughts, even big companies use it because say if I have my own server at my own place, I'll have to maintain it. I have to pay the electricity bill for it. I have to pay the maintenance charges. Someone has to constantly be on it to monitor things up. But in case of cloud service providers, they provide some services which are managed by them. They manage it, we just use it, and we pay for it. So that brings us to the next set of topics, which we'll be covering in a different video, which is like different categories of services which is being provided by those cloud service providers. That's it for the video. Thank you.